How to change payment method on Roblox. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to change and possibly add a payment method on your Roblox account. So first things first, let's click on our settings over here on the top right, and you will be able to see that there will be an option for us over here. Let me zoom in over here. Click on settings and we will be redirected to our account page over here. In this page, simply zoom in over here. You will be able to see that there will be payment methods available for us. And in this page, this is where you will be able to change and also add payment methods for when you're purchasing different items in Roblox, as you can see here. You could also disable this if you prefer, but be careful with this. Make sure that you're using your own account and you're not sending or giving other people your payment method information. Only keep this in your settings page over here. Do not say or mention it on your Roblox chat and other people outside this, even in messages over here. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.